sometimes there are these little things that you have to be aware of, and this program shows you one of them. It also demonstrates how important it is to really know what functions do behind the scenes. So what we're going to do over here is compare a Boolean value to the C++ constant true, like on line 18, actually 17 over here. So I need to change that. Okay, so in this program we're going to show the output over here of the isAlpha function, and the isAlpha function returns a number, and it's not always 0 and 1. So you ask yourself, okay, this function is supposed to say, is this an alphabetic number? And the answer is yes or no, true or not. And we know that behind the scenes that should be 0 and 1. Now we're going to do that for a question mark, and that would be no, that's not the case. For an uppercase X, that should be a true, because it is an alphabetic character, and this one also should be a true. And then we're going to ask the question for the same character twice. One over here with the equals true, and one over here without it. So when we run this, then we see that the output of the function for a question mark is 0. For a capital X, which is definitely an alphabetic character, it's a 1. But then for a lowercase x, it's not a 1, but it's actually a 2. So if we ask if isAlpha x, if that's equal to true, and we have that over here for a lowercase x, then it will tell us that it's not an alphabetic character, which is of course nonsense. If we just ask over here, is alpha x, then it will tell us that x is an alphabetic character, and that goes back to that old false is 0 and true is anything else.